Introduction to Shapeable Tools. Meet the 4K High-Definition Automotive Endoscope, the ultimate inspection tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. When inspecting vehicles, plumbing, HVAC systems, or industrial machinery, visibility is often a major obstacle. Tight spaces, poor lighting, and awkward angles make it difficult to spot leaks, corrosion, or wear. Traditional inspection methods often require dismantling components, which is time-consuming, costly, and sometimes risky. The automotive endoscope solves these challenges by providing a portable, high-definition inspection solution. With its crystal-clear imaging, adjustable lighting, and flexible yet sturdy cable, you can identify problems in real time without disassembly. Reduce costly errors and maintenance downtime. Document inspections easily with image or video storage. Work efficiently in both dry and wet conditions, thanks to its waterproof and oil-resistant lens. Even in the most obstructed environments, the automotive endoscope lets you inspect with precision. Its flexible shaft navigates bends, its high-resolution camera captures the tiniest details, and the adjustable LED lighting ensures visibility even in complete darkness. With the 4K automotive endoscope,
inspection is no longer a challenge. Save time, improve accuracy, and make maintenance smarter, because every detail matters.